back to the mini video and my YouTube channel. Today guys we are going to talk about with brightness setting in our Oppo phone guys. And today video title is guys how to enable eye comfort mode in our Oppo phone and how can we use eye comfort mode setting in our Oppo phone guys. In this video fans we will talk about guys. So guys now let's see how to enable eye comfort mode in our Oppo phone and how can we use eye comfort mode setting Oppo phone. So first of all guys we will on our phone setting to enable eye comfort mode. Then guys scroll display and brightness setting. Guys tap here. Guys you can see guys your eye comfort mode setting. Can tap here. Friends you want to enable, friends you can enable from here. And guys you can see your color temperature setting. Friends you want to change guys your skin color. Guys you can change into cool and warm color according to yourself. Guys you can see guys your eye comfort mode will enable, and guys you can see skin color will different. So when you operate phone at night, so you should on guys your eye means you should enable your eye comfort mode setting, and guys you should operate your phone with your eye comfort mode setting. So like that guys you can enable your eye comfort mode in your Oppo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye friends.